News, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Bola Ahmed Tinubu issues arrest of warrants of Obasa supporters arrested after visiting the impeached speaker at Lagos Assembly. You just watched the video. That is those who went to visit the impeached speaker. And Bola Ahmed Tinubu has ordered the immediate arrest of these persons. And this is what is happening at the moment. Everybody's just watching and waiting to see, the current issues, going on in Lagos State is unbecoming. I'm telling you, you will not believe it. This morning, the Lagos Speaker, House of Assembly, the Speaker was arrested, and this is spurring from the fact that he is prepared for governorship election in Lagos State. They said he's one of those eyeing the seat, but they have interest of other persons, like Tinubu's sons and the rest. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe as the matter turns the other way. Things are really, really getting very, very, very serious. Well, my people, let's get on and get all the details. Obasa supporters are arrested after visiting impeached speaker at Lagos Assembly. Serious tension in Lagos State. Several supporters of the recently impeached speaker, Obasa, were reportedly arrested and detained by security agencies inside the Lagos State House of Assembly. The individuals identified as supporters, chieftains of the All Progressive Congress (APC) from various constituencies across Lagos State had gathered at the Assembly complex purposely to visit the embittered Speaker of the House of Assembly. News Center reports that the supporters were intercepted by security personnel and subsequently confounded in a black marine stash arena in the assembly premises. According to the report, the detainee visited the distressed speaker, have been calling out for basic necessities such as food, water, while awaiting further actions from the authority. Some says it is the call from Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu to have them arrested, as this is more than beneath the eyes with regards to who rules Lagos State. The matter is becoming very, very complex as tensions begin to rise. Some of those supporting the impeached speaker are beginning to say they will reveal all if they are not released, and matters are becoming really rather very, very complex. So this morning we saw that the impeached speaker of the House of Assembly in Lagos State was the speaker was impeached. And why was he impeached? Well, they said this guy, he was not particularly responsible, so to say. He was becoming unruly, and his eyes were for the Lagos State House of Assembly, and many people felt it. He was beginning to outdo himself. He was beginning to do what was not necessary, and they needed to visit him and ensure that he does not take laws into his hands. So you can see that there is all kinds of matters right now going on. Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, his son, some people say, he's eyeing the governorship position, and we don't know if this is all okay, if this is all the reason the supporters and all who have supported him have been arrested, and everybody is just wondering, what the next lines of actions will be, because we cannot continue with serious with all of these things and just be quiet and pretend, that we cannot see what is happening. Every single person is aware of the current, issues going on in Lagos State. The matters are becoming rather very, 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 very serious, because those who are eyeing positions, those who are looking forward to 2027 are preparing themselves very, very vigorously. They are preparing themselves, looking forward to coming on board and taking over position. And so, police have, have come on board, just like what happened at NSAS. So it is becoming really serious. Everybody is looking at the whole matter, and everybody is wondering, what can be done differently in order to ensure that sincerity and truth is passed on. So Nigerians, the days upon us are quite interesting. I must assure you. There are interesting days ahead, and we cannot afford to fold our arms and continue to watch on as if we are not aware of what some of these people are doing. Tinubu's son is being eyed, is being prepared seriously for 2027. They said he has come of age, and the truth of it is, whoever wants to stand on that path will have to have himself, in some serious issue. We'll be facing some serious issue with Bola Tinubu himself. By hook or by crook, they will have to face the matter. So these are part of the things going on. Well, my people, how do we resolve all this, and what are the next lines of actions? As we can see, that things are quickly turning, and new leaves are being turned on in terms of who is a Lagos State House of Assembly member, and who, straight away, a new person has been sworn in. A lady has been sworn in as the new speaker. Life do not give space, upwards vacuum. So as soon as one is gone, whether you like it or not, immediately there is replacement. And so that's what has happened to this man. He's been replaced thoroughly, quickly, and very carefully by a lady. And everybody's watching, to see the next lines of actions as, matters begin to unfold. Remember that you have a voice, and every one of us must begin to appropriate all the necessary measures in order to make, Nigeria a better place. Because some of these people, if you can really, really look at it very thoroughly, do not care for what happened to any individual. All they are really, really caring about is their political career, themselves, and their associates, not because they care about the people. Well, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, Nigeria must move forward, and we all have a part to play, so no room for excuse. God bless. Have a lovely and a fantastic day. From us is bye for now. Bye bye.